Fever Grade 6J1 Vacuum Tube LM1875 Power Amplifier Hi-Fi Audio. Bill of Materials and Physical Connection. The use connection of the stereo is shown in the picture. Power connection AC dual 18 volts. The recommended power of the speaker is 10 West to 80 West. The speaker in this video is a 10W8 speaker. A stereo having 2 channels. Therefore, one speaker needs to be connected to the left and right. The left and right channels of the audio cable are distinguished as shown in the figure. Lead out the left and right channel output and GND in the audio cable through the audio holder. Then connect it to the audio input of the stereo. The other end connects to the computer through a 3.5mm audio connector. After confirming the wiring, turn on the power supply. Turn on the sound settings on the computer. Select output device. Reset output format. And test whether the speaker can be emitted. Voice. If so, the stereo works normally. Play the music again to test.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
Clear music can be heard on both left and right speakers.
When I see you again, we've come a long way.
Adjust the volume through the computer.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see
The volume of the music changes.
Why'd you have to leave so soon? Why'd you have
Sound
to
test
go?
completed.